All right, here we have proof of number 7. We're proving parallel lines. Here we're given that line L is parallel to M, angle 1 is congruent to angle 7. Okay, prove that A is parallel to B. So I will start with what the givens are, and I separate into two different lines to help me out. Angle L is parallel to M, angle 1 is congruent to angle 7. What is really good having a parallel line here of L and M is that you can use corresponding, you can use alternate interior, alternate exterior, consecutive interior, okay? So because I already know they're parallel, so I can relate the line L and the line M in any way. So I saw that 1 and 3 have to be related. So I can say the angle 1 and angle 3 are congruent because of the corresponding angle postulate. I already know because, again, L is parallel to M. Notice angle 1 and angle 1 here can cancel if you use the transitive property. Okay, leaving me with angle 7 and angle 3. I finally have a relationship between angle 7 and angle 3. If those are congruent, then A and B have to be parallel, with M being the transversal. Okay, so that is the converse of the corresponding angle postulate. Given that angle 7 and angle 3 are congruent, then the lines are parallel because they're corresponding angles.